Hi guys, Tiana Michelle here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you my under the sink bathroom organization. But first you're going to see me just clean off my sink area and my bathroom. If you are new here, let me introduce myself. My name is Tiana. I am a full-time working wife and mother of 3 kids, and which one is medically complex. I post different types of videos, but my favorite are DIY and organization videos. Please consider subscribing to my channel and feel free to introduce yourself in the comments. Next, I'm going to be cleaning out this left side of my under sink area. This is where we keep all of our medicine and things like that. And here is where the real mess lives. Look at this mess under my sink. But no worries, we're going to get this all cleaned up. I did not realize how many hair products I had until I actually had to go in here and clean out this mess. And here I'm just using some disinfectant wipes to clean out the area. So I went to Ross and I looked for some organization bands. So I found 2 of their makeup bands that were $2.99 each or $3.99 each. And then I got 4 other baskets. I did not get all of these bins at the same Ross. I had to go to 2 or 3 locations to find what I needed. But I'm glad I was able to find everything at Ross and for an affordable price. So basically, while organizing, I tried to put everything that was similar in the same basket. So all of my curling irons and blow dryers I put in the same basket. Products that were in jars, I put those in the same baskets, and then products that were in bottles, I put those in the same basket, and then all of my sanitary products in the same basket. And I still can't believe how many hair items I have, even after throwing a lot of hair products away. If you're not able to find these items at Ross, Dollar Tree does have some items that are similar to this.